there's a box here.
Hello everybody, welcome. So today, actually, you know what? Hold on, let me turn this on.
Yeah.
Sheesh, it's the lingo. What does sheesh mean? I will never know. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. For today's video, my hands are already freezing. I'm going to be doing my nails. They're extremely overgrown and I need to do them back because they've gotten so long that I can barely edit, and I need to do that. I thought I could just make a little video of me showing you how I do my nails. My Pinterest inspired nails at home. Also, if you want any of these products I used today, everything will be linked in the description. All right, so I'm going to move the camera down here. So before we start, here are my nails. Can you see them? They are disgusting. Do you see that grow out? Ew. But overall, the design is cute. I wish I chose a different cream color, but I was kind of in a rush when I did these. I did my nails about a month ago. Actually, I think it may have been more than a month ago. I had these on before Thanksgiving. Yeah, that was a long time ago. Also, I want to see how long it takes. Oh, I'm right there. Hey, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to do a timer to see how long it takes me to do my nails. Anyway, let's start. Typically takes me around like 2-ish hours to do my nails, which is a long time. I know, I just take forever. First thing we will do is push back the cuticles to see how much growth I've had. That is a lot of growth. This is our nail drill that we use. It is by iGel Beauty. The bit I'm using is this one right here. Has like little teeth on it. It's meant for taking off product of your nails. And then this is our dust collector. We use this so that way when we're filing all of our nails off, the dust doesn't go everywhere. So I'm gonna turn this on and you won't be able to hear me, but I'm just gonna file off my nails till I just have a thin layer on. Are my nails with nothing on them. They are extremely long. They're so long right now. I gotta trim these down. I just drilled them down to where there's just like barely any product on them, and they're so long. All right, so I'm done with this now. Here's some nail clippers. You can use whatever you want if you're doing nails. I'm just gonna clip them down to wherever I want my length to be. Beautiful. When I file and shape them, they'll be a little bit shorter too. Gotta make sure I do this even here. There's my nails. Beautiful. And now we can file and shape them. I try and do my opposite hand first because it feels like my other hand's easier to do afterwards. Cute. Shaping my nails, they will look a lot better once I take the drill. I'm just gonna like smooth out the area even more, and then we can begin on prepping our cuticles. Everything has been buffed up. It's pretty smooth. Also, my hands are really dry. That's why they look like the way they do. Now is my favorite part, or one of my favorite parts, and that is the cuticle prep. So I take my orange wood stick, push back my cuticles. Here, let me zoom in. Push back my cuticles. I like the orange wood stick because I feel like the metal cuticle pushers kind of like scrape your natural nail bed. Let me do my other side here. I really don't have to do much. My cuticles really aren't that sticky. I just kind of push them back, just make my nail bed look a little longer. That's basically the only thing I use that for. Now I'm going to switch from this to this drill bit. It's just a little tiny thing. I believe this is a cuticle bit. I think that's what it's called or something. And then I'll just go on my cuticles. I'm very gentle with my cuticles because you do not want to overfile your natural nail bed anywhere on your nail. So that's all I do. Then I'll do the next nail. This is just to remove that like natural shine of your nail and then some sticky cuticle that's left on my nail. And then I will reverse my drill bit and go the opposite way. The next drill bit I'm gonna use is this one. Okay, this is the flame bit. When you use this one, you do not want to go into your nail like this because you will make holes in your nails. So you wanna keep it like this, parallel to your natural nail bed. Cuticles are now done. Let me get the dust out of them. Cuticles are now done. They just are really dry. That's why they don't look the world's greatest. But I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol, put it in my brush, and then I like to scrub my nails just so I can get them pretty clean. And I also do underneath my nail. You know, those are always dirty. And then you have your clean prepped nails all ready for new product. There's my clean nails. Now is the fun part. This is when I can put on my base coat. And then my builder gel. The builder gel is what makes my nails strong enough to where they don't break. And the base, you just gotta put the base on before you put the builder gel on. So I'm gonna do this first. Also, I use the brand Beetles because it is probably my favorite and it's pretty cheap and you can find this on Amazon. I also have a nail lamp here, which I'm going to cure my nails with. I don't do anything fancy with painting my nails. I just paint them. And I'm going to do my opposite hand first. Beautiful. I love painting stuff on my nails. The prep is not my favorite. This is what I love doing. Also, these are my natural nails. They did not start out this long when I started doing my nails. They were short, but now they're beautiful. base coat is done, and then I'm just gonna put that in my LED light for 30 seconds. It's right over here. I know, I put it on wide angle so now you can see all the mess. Just like that, your base coat is cured. Isn't that cool? Okay, fun. Now I need to pick a base color because we have a lot of different base color builder gels. So this is more of a warm tone. I think I did this one last time. This one is quite empty. This one used to be my favorite if you couldn't tell. Ooh, this one's pretty. For my design, I'm thinking about doing a green sparkly French because we only have like 1 week till Christmas now. Actually, I don't even think we have a week. We have less than a week now. This one is way too pink. I think the first one's probably gonna be my best choice. To paint on your builder gel, let me zoom in. So the first thing I do is I just paint on, that's too much product on my brush. Let me wipe that down. Okay, first I take a thin layer and I will just paint that builder gel onto my nail, pretty thin. And this is what's going to create something called a slip layer, just like that. Beautiful. And then I like to grab a little more of my builder gel. So you have a little more on my brush. For my pinky, I don't really need that much to put on, so I'm just gonna put it on here like this, kind of move it where I want it to go. So once I'm happy with the placement of my builder gel, I'm just gonna put that straight into the lamp, just like that. So that way it can cure in the right spot. Once it's cured, I just move on to my next nail. And then I repeat that 10 times. Paint the little slip layer on. Also, putting your hands upside down can help level out your gel because it'll all sink to the center, which will create a beautiful structure for your nails. And then we cure. And then I'll do this hand off camera. Okay, everyone. Both sides are done. I wiped off the tacky coat on this side. That's why this looks really dull. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Just take some rubbing alcohol and then rub off that tacky coat. And now for the fun part. We are an hour and a half in case you're wondering. I can finally begin my design. So this is what I was thinking. I'm going to use some of these polishes. These are cat eye polishes and they're really cool, but I just want to use the color without using a magnet because I think this green is really pretty. Now, I'm not the best at doing French nails, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'm just gonna put a little bit on this tile we have. And then I also have a little dish I'm going to put some rubbing alcohol in so I can clean my brush. Hopefully I can get this on the first try because French is kind of hard. What do we think? I don't like this. Yeah, I'm not good at French. I don't like this at all. No, don't like that at all. I'm going to find something else. Well, I just made something really cool. Do you see that cat eye? Whoa! I've never made it look like this before. Pretty. It's the next day. I finished my nails last night. I never did really show you that much. Here they are. They're very cute. And it took me an hour and 47 minutes to make them. Probably because I spent like 45 minutes deciding what kind of design I wanted to do. But my nails will last me another month, so it's worth it to take that long to do my nails, in my opinion. Now, if I were changing my nails every week, that would just be too much. But it probably wouldn't take me that long to do them if I were doing them every week, because cutting and shaping them does take another like 30-ish minutes. But I love them, and they feel so much better now that they're so short. I love them and they're so pretty. Also, since we have like 5 days till Christmas now, I'm glad I didn't do a full-on Christmas design because these are a good like winter set of nails. All right, everyone, I'll see you later. Okay, bye.